What is the best price to buy Bitcoin in the year 2026? In this video, we're going to examine where the potential bottom for Bitcoin could be and where we can buy Bitcoin at the best possible price. Stay with me until the end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. To investigate this time we've turned to the Bitcoin realized price chart. Bitcoin's realized price is the average price at which various buyers have bought Bitcoin over different years. We want to see what impact that average has had on our bearish and bullish cycle so far. As you can see on this chart, we have an orange section and a green section. This green section is exactly that realized price or the average purchase price of Bitcoin. The orange line is the Bitcoin price chart, where we currently see the figure of $63,000. But what happened to Bitcoin and this line in past cycles? Let's start from the year 2011. In 2011, when Bitcoin hit a bottom of $2.1, it was 58% below the realized price, stayed there for about 3 months, and then started its ascent. In 2015, at a market bottom of $152, we went 49% below the realized price. We stayed at that level for about 300 days, or roughly 10 months, before eventually returning above it, which signaled the start of the next bull market. In 2018, we saw a bottom of $3,200 and experienced a correction 47% below the realized price. Then the Corona crash, and in 2022, a bottom of $15,400, about 34% below the realized price. But in this cycle, will those same events repeat again or not? The probability of that is over 80%, meaning we'll drop below the realized price in our bearish cycle, which is currently $53,000. How much of a correction we'll have and how long it will last are vague metrics that we need to examine together. As you saw, since the 2011 cycle, we've witnessed that each price correction relative to the realized price became smaller. This has been due to market maturity. In the last cycle, in 2022, we witnessed a 34% correction. For this cycle, I see a 20 to 30% correction, which would be roughly the range of $37,000 to $42,000. So the price drops below the realized price, we'll see a 20 to 30% correction, and $37,000 to $42,000 is a very, very cheap price to buy Bitcoin. But this doesn't mean that you should sell your Bitcoins right now and buy at that price, or that you shouldn't buy Bitcoin, not enter in stages, and just wait for those numbers. This analysis has had a 100% win rate, meaning in past cycles, this has always happened. But whether this cycle will actually behave the same way, there are some doubts and uncertainties about it. My suggestion for you is to make your purchases in stages. The cheapest stage is the realized price, which is the $53,000 range. $53,000 is one buying stage, and then in case of further correction, the $45,000, $40,000, and $37,000 ranges are suggested. Ranges where you can buy your Bitcoins at the cheapest possible price and hold them for your future and your children's future. Thank you for staying with us until the end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and give us energy. Give us energy so we can continue to provide you with comprehensive analyses of the crypto market and global markets.